Hey folks, it's JT here. Say, while I'm over here doing laundry, I thought I'd show you the laundry room. Now come on along with me here and take a look. A little table right here to fold our laundry. Some reading material. 2 dryers there, 2 there. And there's 4 washing machines here, some baskets, and a sink. And there is another laundromat on the other side of the campground up in the second section. So if this is full, you can drive up there. There's the pool right there, but it's closed because of the coronavirus, because it's a small pool and you can't keep people 6 feet apart, so we have to keep it closed. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day.